Hello students, I am going to continue with the same topic, that is permutation and combination. Today we will solve miscellaneous exercise of chapter 7. Earlier we solved question number 1 to 3, and today we solve question number 4. If the different permutation of all the letter of the word examination. Fourth question, chapter number 7, permutation and combination. PNC you can say. Fourth, examination. If the different permutation of all the letter of the word examination are arranged in the dictionary, how many words are there in the list? How many words are there in the list before the starting word, that is with E? You know that before E, the letter before E, that is D, D is not present, and before D, that is C, C is not present, and before C, that is B, B is not present. It means all the letters starting from A. So now start all the question from A. A is fixed. And into that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total letters 11. And into that A 2 times, I 2 times, and N 2 times. Correct? A 2 times, I 2 times, N 2 times. Clear? When you fix here A, then here only A 1 times. A 1 times. So total 11 letter, 1 is fixed. It means here we have to arrange 10 letter, 10. So therefore, total number of words, that is 10 factorial, and repeated letter here only that is I and N. I is 2 times 2 factorial, N is 2 times, that is 2 factorial. This is the solution of this question. You can solve 10 factorial by 2 factorial into 10 factorial. This is the calculation work. Correct? Again, because you know that the letter A is 2 times, very important points. Mostly students confuse here. Letter A is 2 times, but if we fix letter A starting, if we fix one letter from the starting, it means the remaining letter here, A, the number of letter A here only once, correct? Fifth question. Fifth, how many 6 digits can be formed from the letter? Sixth question, miscellaneous exercise. 6 digit number. 6 digit number, that is 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, which are divisible by 10. Which are divisible by 10. No digit is repeated. No digit is repeated. No digit is repeated. It means repetition of the digit is not allowed. Repetition of the digit is not allowed. 6 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is unit digit. You know that if we put 0 in the unit place, it means that number is divisible by 10. If you put any other number at the unit place, it means the number is not divisible by 10. Then fix here 0. Fix here 0. You can fill this column by one ways only. This is one ways. This is not the number. And you can fill this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 5 digits. 5 digits. You can this column by 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 ways. The total number of ways, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, that is 120. Check this question is simple. This is question number 6, correct? Now solve question number 7. Miscellaneous exercise. The English alphabet has 5 vowels and 21 consonants. How many words with the 2 different vowel and the 2 different consonant can be formed from the alphabet? You know that in question number 6, that is 5 vowel and 21 consonant, and you want to use 2 different vowel and 2 different consonant. How many words with the 2 different vowel and 2 different consonant can be formed from the alphabet? Correct? Now, you know that total number of words, total number of ways, you can say total number of words, you can say. You know that you need 2 vowel, but you have 5 vowel. Then selection is needed here, combination. That is 5C2. And here 21 consonant, but you know that 21 consonant, and you have to choose 2 consonants. That is 21C2. Here is the combination. After selecting 4 letters, 2 plus 2, 4. After selecting 4 letters, when we arrange them, then the permutation is required. I need that 4 letters, all 4 are different, therefore 4P4. Here, this is the very important questions, which is based on the permutation and combination as well as, correct? Now, calculation work you can solve 5 factorial by 5 minus 2, 3 factorial, that is 2 factorial. Here 21 factorial, 2 factorial, 21 minus 2, 19 factorial, and 4P4, 4 factorial by 0 factorial. And the value of 0 factorial, you know very well, that is 5 into 4, and 3 factorial cancel upon 2. There 21 into 20 into 19 cancel. Here that is 2 factorial and 4 factorial 24, and 0 factorial 1. Now we can simplify. 2 cancel, 4, that is 21 5 ja 105 into 20 into this, that is 480, and you can multiply, that is your answer. Clear? This is question number 6. Any doubt? Question number 7. Question number 7. In an examination, a question paper consists of 12 questions. Question paper consists of 12 questions divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2, containing 5 questions and 7 questions respectively. A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all, selecting at least 3 from each part. And how many ways can a student select the question? Read the question. A question paper consists of total 12 questions. Total 12 questions. And the paper is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 contains 5 questions and part 2 contains 7 questions. Correct? A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all. Attempt 8 questions in all. Total attempt 8 questions in all. And the condition in this question: select at least 3 questions from each part. Select at least 3 questions from each part. This is the question number 7. Again, there are total 12 questions and the question paper divided into two parts, part 1, part 2, and the part 1 containing 5 questions, part 2 containing 7 questions. You have to attempt 8 questions or all. And the condition: select at least 3 questions from each part. So therefore, there are possibility. If 3 questions from part 1, total number of ways. Total number of ways. You know that if you select 3 questions from part 1, if you select 3 questions from part 1, then you have to select 5 questions from part 2. This is the one possibility. If you select 4 questions from part 1, then 4 questions from part 2, because total 8 questions. If you select 5 questions from part 1, then 3 questions from part 2, because we have to attempt 8 questions in all. Only there are 3 possibilities, not more than 3, because you can't attempt 6 questions from the first part, because total number of questions is 5, right? That all 3 cases fulfill this condition, at least 3 questions from each part. And you know that part 1 containing 5 questions, and you have to select 3 questions, the 5C3, 5C3 into 7C5. 5C3 into 7C5. And the second case, for part 1 containing 5 questions, and you have to choose 4 questions. Second part, 4. 5C4 into 7C4. And here, you know that part 1 containing 5 questions, and you have to choose 5. Therefore, you can say 5C5 and the 7C4, 7C3. This is the solution of this question. You can solve here. This is the question number 7. Now I solve question number 8. देखो question number 8 is determine the number of 5 card combination out of a deck of 52 cards if each selection of 5 card containing exactly one king. Question number 8. Total cards 52 and you want to select 5 cards. Select 5 cards and exact one king. Exact one king. The total number of ways, you know that total king 4 king and 48 non-king. 48 non-king, correct? 48 non-king, and you want to select one king, exact one king. So you have to select from here. Total number of cards of king 4, and you have to select one card. That is 4c1 and 48 c1, 48 c4, because total 4 card. Clear? 4 c1 you can write 4 factorial upon 1 factorial into 3 factorial, and 48 factorial upon 4 factorial into 44 factorial. 4 factorial expand up to 3 factorial. 3 factorial cancel. Here 48, 47, 46, 45 and 44 cancel. Upon 4 factorial. 4 factorial, you know, 24. Further you can simplify. Clear? This is the solution of question number 8. Last question. Question number 9. It is required to seat 5 men and 4 women. Question number 9. 5 men and 4 women in a row. It is required to seat 5 men and 4 women in a row so that women occupy even place. Women occupy even place. You know that total member 9. So therefore place total 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you know that even place 2, 4, 6 and 8. There are only 4 place, 4 even place, and only 4 women. So therefore total number of arrangement, that is 4 women and 4 place, 4, 3, 4. After arranging the women, now the remaining place is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Men. And this is the place for women. Remaining place 5. So therefore 5 be 5. 4p4 that is 4 factorial, and this is 5 factorial. 4 factorial that is 24, and 5 factorial that is 120. When you multiply, that is answer 0. 12 4 the 48, 4, 12 to the 24 plus 4 28. This is the answer. Here, and your homework, try to solve this miscellaneous exercise with example. After that, we solve some extra question from the extra books in the next video, and from RS Agarwal, correct? Thank you.